How to convert formulas to values in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 6 different ways to convert formulas to values in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Take a look at this workbook here. I have values in column A and I have used a formula in column B. But if I want to copy the formula result and if I want to paste it here, and you can see it has copied the formula itself. But I want to paste here the final value. How you can do it? There are 6 different ways I'm going to show you. The first one is the easiest one. If you select the range where you have formulas, and you copy it using keyboard shortcut or right click, whatever you want, just copy the formula, open your notepad, paste it there, copy it back from there and paste it here. So notepad has removed the formula for you and you have only result. Okay, so this was the first way. Let's get back to the original format here. We have our formula here and now I'm going to copy it. This is the second way. Copy it, and suppose I want to paste it here. Click on the home tab and you can see here paste. Click on this drop down and you can see paste as value. Select this and this is the formula result. If you double click here, it has been converted as value. Now remove this. Now the third way is that if you select the data range, copy it, and if you want to paste it here, right click here and click here, paste as values. Okay, this is the third way. Now let's delete this. The fourth way is copy the formula with Ctrl C and click on the cell where you want to paste it and then press keyboard shortcut Alt E S and V and then click OK, and you can see it has been converted as value. Okay, another keyboard shortcut is you just need to copy it with Ctrl C and now you need to press Shift F10 and then V. So it has been converted as value. The last way to convert formula to value is that you select the data range and if you hover your mouse at any side of your selection, you can see your cursor will convert it to this. When you have this, simply right click there and drag your mouse to place where you want. If you want to place at the original position, you can do that also. So I'm going to replace the original value. So while keep pressing the right click, you will have to drag the mouse. I place it here and I release the right click and you can see we have a pop-up menu here. Now if we select here, copy here as values only, and it has been converted from formula to value. These are the 6 tricks to convert formulas to values in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, please support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.